Here are the 5 best free AI apps for Android in 2026. You need to try if you want smarter, faster, and more productive mobile experience. At number 5, we've got DeepSeek AI Assistant, a powerful tool that's quickly gaining attention worldwide. It holds an impressive 4.3 rating with over 50 million plus installs and more than 270,000 reviews from users. Powered by DeepSeek's latest flagship AI model, this app gives you super fast, accurate responses. You can use it for writing help, solving problems, learning new topics, coding support, and everyday productivity tasks, all in one place. People love it because it feels smooth, intelligent, and extremely efficient. It helps you finish tasks in seconds that normally take minutes or even hours. Number 4, we've got Claude by Anthropic, one of the smartest AI apps on the market right now, rated 4.4 stars with over 400k plus reviews. Claude isn't just a chatbot. It's like a full thinking partner in your pocket. Need to write something? It helps you turn rough ideas into clean professional emails, posts, or reports in seconds. Stuck on coding? It can debug, explain errors, and even help build full projects in Python, JavaScript, and more, while teaching you why the solution works. Doing research? Claude can break down complex topics, summarize information, and even analyze files, PDFs, and charts for deeper insights. And it doesn't stop there. You can use your voice, upload images, and even connect your workflow for smarter, faster results. That's why millions are using it. It feels less like a tool and more like a real assistant that thinks with you. At number 3, we've got Perplexity. Ask Anything, one of the fastest growing AI knowledge apps with a 4.4 rating and over 100 million plus installs. This isn't just a search app. It's like having a super smart AI assistant in your pocket. You ask a question and it doesn't just give you random links. It gives you clear, direct, and real answers backed with trusted sources. Key features: Perplexity, Pro Search for deep guided answers, voice input so you can just speak and get results instantly, follow-up threads to keep learning step by step, built-in citations. So you know the info is real. And a discovery feed to explore trending knowledge. Why people love it. With over 1 million plus reviews, users say it saves time, reduces confusion, and replaces endless searching with straight answers. Whether it's homework, tech questions, or random curiosity, this app handles it all. Number 2, we've got Google Gemini, one of the most powerful AI apps in the world right now. It has a 4.4 rating, over 32 million reviews, and more than 1 billion downloads. Yeah, it's massive. This isn't just a chatbot. Google Gemini is your full AI assistant powered by Google's most advanced models. You can brainstorm ideas, write content, solve problems, and even break down complex topics in seconds. But here's where it gets crazy. You can go live with Gemini, share your screen or camera, and talk to it about what you're seeing. Turn files into podcasts you can listen to anywhere. Create and edit images just from text prompts. Even generate quizzes, flashcards, and study guides instantly. Why people love it? It connects with Google apps like YouTube, Maps, Gmail, and Search. So it doesn't just answer questions, it actually helps you do things faster in real life. And with Pro and Ultra plans, it gets even more powerful. Finally, number 1, we have ChatGPT, rated 4.5 stars with over 1 billion plus installs and more than 43 million reviews worldwide. Key features. This isn't just another AI app. It's like having a super smart assistant in your pocket, 24/7. You can generate stunning images from just text or even transform your own photos in seconds. Need answers fast? Just ask and it delivers instant, clear responses on anything. With advanced voice mode, you can literally talk to it in real time, perfect for learning, debating, or even practicing a new language. You can upload photos to extract information, summarize notes, or understand anything you see. From writing business plans and marketing ideas to giving you creative birthday gift suggestions, ChatGPT does it all. Even homework help or travel planning becomes effortless. People love it because it saves time, boosts creativity, and solves problems instantly, whether personal, school, or work related. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a comment with your favorite AI app and subscribe for more quick tech tips.